Hello and welcome to the Credo Solution. Today I want to talk to you about something called the Genius Principle. Now, each one of us in our life at some point has been unjustly attacked, especially if you're in customer service or you work with the public at all, if you're in sales, but even by maybe a coworker or even a boss. For whatever reason, they've decided that whatever's happened to them today is the thing that's just going to set them off. And they just start spewing all sorts of unfair accusations and profanity and really hurtful and unfair things. In a situation like that, different people respond differently. Some people will get aggressive in return. Some people will go point for point and try to explain why each one of these things they're being accused of just simply aren't fair or aren't true. Other people will just shut down and pull back. Well, the Genius Principle suggests another course of action. It reminds you that what you're experiencing right now, as much as it won't feel like it, is actually an opportunity. Most people that were upset with you in life will not tell you. They'll just shop somewhere else, or choose a new favorite employee, or choose someone else to hang out with. This person, however hurtful and inappropriate they're being, they're at least bringing the problem to you and giving you an opportunity to hear it and learn from it. Now, most of what they're saying is most likely emotional and inaccurate and unfair. But somewhere in what they're saying is a kernel of truth. Most likely what set them off is something based in reality. Despite all the unfair shots about your system being messed up or your company being bad, if they're saying, my order was late, latch on to that. Push aside everything else and just think their order was late. Wow, something really is wrong here, and I can learn from that. Or maybe if your boss is yelling at you because the project didn't produce the results it should have, his approach may be inappropriate, but hey, the project didn't produce the results it should have. There's something there you can learn from. There's something you can glean from that and gain strength from if you can just push away all the offense and the madness that's surrounding it. The Genius Principle lets you look right through that, find the heart of the matter, and learn something. In a situation like that, as difficult as it may be, develop the skill to be grateful for the opportunity, find the truth, and let it make you a better person.